There's another issue where the Attorney General-elect has demonstrated he's not you. He signed a statement along with 20 other or so attorneys general objecting to President Obama's decision to stop the deportation of some 5 million people, his executive order on immigration. In 2013, you signed a letter essentially begging Congress to reform immigration policy. And in it, you said, our immigration policies, quote a year, immigration policies must provide a sensible means to deal with the immigrants who are currently in the country without legal status, but are of good character, pay taxes, and are committed to continuing to contribute to our society. Sounds a lot like what the president ordered. Do you think that Mr. Laxalt may be heading in the wrong direction?
You've done your homework. I have to say that. Again, it's his decision to make. He's now going to be the Attorney General starting January 5th. It's entirely his decision in what direction he wants to go. I will tell you, the letter that you just cited to was a bipartisan letter by many of us AGs that were concerned to ensure that the rule of law was followed, that everybody had an opportunity to succeed. We were concerned with businesses' concerns that they also wanted to be able to succeed. And I know from my perspective and many of the AGs I've worked with, to the extent that people are concerned of a criminal element involved, we are going after that criminal element. We held them accountable. We arrest them. We prosecute them. We put them in our jails if that's the case. But the people that we were writing the letter about have nothing to do with that criminal element. The law enforcement is still going on. And I think from our perspective, we wanted dual enforcement at the federal level and the state level as well.
Now, at the same time, this statement that Attorney General-elect Laxalt has signed is certainly at odds with your legal counsel, what you have urged, judging by that letter and many other things too. But in essence, though, I mean, doesn't the Attorney General ultimately serve the pleasure of the governor, provide advice to the governor, and is that the governor's view now since he's going to be Mr. Laxalt's client?
That I can't answer. I can tell you this. In all my conversations and ever I've talked with the governor, I've never gotten that perception from the governor. This was a decision, I understand, that was solely General-elect Laxalt's decision, and it's within his right to do so based on what he thinks is in the best interest of the state of Nevada. At least
on the surface, it sounds like they may be at odds come January.
I have no idea, honestly. I don't know what conversations took place between them. I don't know what's involved, and I don't want to speculate. It's not my role to sit here and speculate and question when I don't have all of the facts in front of me.